Hello all, welcome to www.bspsolutions.com. In this series of planning tickets, today we're going to solve the following problem statement. We have to calculate payment uh, discount, which is to be based on user selection. That means here on the basis of user selection, we have to calculate discount. So we're going to make a smart list over here, and what they are asking is user selection, in the sense that they have provided certain payment terms to certain users. Okay, like maybe cash, some payments are done in cash, and some payments are online, coming through online. So this first we have to create a smart list. Then we'll create the smart list on for uh, the payment mode we going to, no, the payment mode here could be cash, could be online, uh, or could be credit card. Depending on that, we're going to make the smart list, and then those smart list, on the basis of those smart list, we're going to see how the discount will come. So here we'll go to the application over here, and we have to create certain members in the account dimension. This is planning application, and I have logged in as administrator, service administrator. I have logged in. Choose your cube. I'm choosing plan 1. In this account dimension, here I have all accounts. Now this PNL, this net income. So let's suppose in PNL, I'll create 3 of the accounts which is required in this case scenario to solve the ticket over here. First, if you see PNL itself, it doesn't have any descendant, so I will make this as a dynamic calc. Edit this. Okay, now I have changed the data storage property because earlier it was not having any descendants. Now we're going to add a few of the descendants under PNL. The first one, we need net sales. Okay, first let me create total sales. That is also not there. And for total sales, I'll give this certain ID I will give, and here I will make it as 4001. Okay, and this is account type is revenue, this is non-expense, and this I will take it as a flow only. Plan 1, here I will make it as store, and this data type would be currency. Okay, save this. Now I also again have to add few more descendants, so I'll add sibling to this, or rather than I have to have a net sales under this. uh, again it will be revenue non-expense, and here this will be stored, data storage will be stored. Then I'll create payment mode. And this is a saved assumption. This is mode of payment. Okay, this doesn't belong to any of the accounts. Data storage would be stored. And yeah, data type over here I will attach the smart list, and I have already created the smart list, which is the name with payment mode only. Payment M I have written. So all the three kinds of payment mode I have attached with the smart list. This I will show you once we finish creating the metadata over here. And one we will here create a payment discount member. And this will also be a this is not an account, this is a saved assumption. We'll take account type, and data storage property will make it a store. Data type here would be percentage. So we have created these four of the new members here. So I will refresh database. This is finished. Now we I will show you the smart list that I have created. We have attached a smart list here in payment mode. So I have created different sort of payment mode in the smart list. So through navigator, under create and manage, we have smart list. This is the payment mode I have created. So okay, the smart list name is payment mode. Payment M I have written. Here I have created three entries. One payment mode is COD, which is cash on delivery. The other one is UPI, and third one is credit card. And this smart list I have attached there with the payment mode member. We have already taken the whole session on smart list, so that is why I have created it beforehand, and we will not include the creation of smart list in this ticket. Now we have to create rule. Under actions, go to new object. Here select your application type and name. Cube is plan 1. Object type is what rule or rule set or template you are making, and provide the name. So I will write it as discount calculation. Okay, discount calc. Now we will open this we'll open the rule over here, and now we'll edit it. Here you can say this is the discount calc one. Okay, and we will edit the script. I will fix all the members. So here let me see the members. In accounts, we're going to select all the four members that we have created. Okay, so we've got the POV. On the basis of this POV, I'm going to make the rule. So we have to fix all the members first. In case you don't want to fix the members, particular members, you want to take it for the entire member of the dimension, then you can take at the rate I descendant. Like product, you just do not want it to be specific to one single product, you want it this calculation for all the products. So then you can take it at the rate I descendants in brackets product. So here you see I have fixed all the members. Now uh, I will calculate the payment discount. This is the payment discount. If you remember, this is the member we have created. If you see here, this is the member payment discount. Now here we have to give the condition. Now if payment mode is equal to 1, then the payment discount should be 0. So the condition is like this. Now payment mode is our another member we have created. This payment mode will take 2 time equal to, that means smart list, which will denote the smart list is equal to 1. 1 is what? COD member in the smart list, that is whatever is the first member in the smart list, which is the COD. So if the payment mode is equal to 1, then payment discount is 0. This is what we are saying, that in case the customer is making payment the in like the first one is COD, then there is no payment discount, that is 0. In case it is making payment through UPI, then we will give the discount and then we will provide the calculation. So here the payment discount would be 0. Okay, be sure here to write the exact name of the member that you have created, or like if you know the name of the member or the ID you do not remember, then you can copy it from your metadata from the hierarchy, you can copy it. Okay, payment discount in that case would be 0. And what would be the net sales? We have created another member which is total sales, then we will do total sales minus net sales into payment discount. So the member ID is 4001 for total sales. This will be the sales. Okay, total sales will be multiplied with the payment discount. Okay, this is it. Now what will be the payment discount in this case? then it would be discount UPI. This is the variable that we're going to create. So here the payment discount would be, we have to create some certain percentage of discount that we are providing for all those users who are making payment through UPI. So for creating the variable, you have to go over here. We are creating a percentage, discount UPI. You can provide the name, and here we will create the percentage of whatever we are giving the percent. Okay, first create it. Name would be discount. Type here, take it as percent, because here we are calculating the percentage, and here provide the default value, that is 10%, and save this. So here you can see this gets created. Select it, and here click on OK. So here you get discount. We have created this discount member over here for the UPI, which would calculate the 12%, 10%. And again, net sales will be the same here as we have done over here. Copy this thing. So every time the payment discount will change in case if it is in case if the payment mode is the first member in the smart list, then the payment discount will be 0. Calculation of net sales remains same here also, because every time here we are calculating net sales on the basis of payment discount. So what the one which gets changes over here is the payment discount. Okay, now there is one more condition. So again we'll provide else. Now we'll write payment mode is the third one. So copy this from here. We have created 3 payment modes, that's why. Okay, now the payment discount over here will be calculated on the basis of credit card variable, that whatever is the percentage which we are applying for all those who are paying through credit cards. Now we'll create a variable. One discount we have created, one we will make discount CC, and we will give some percentage. So discount CC, discount credit card. Here again the type would be in percent, and here I will provide the rate. So 10% on UPIs, and I'll give like about 15% on credit card. Now select this one, click on OK, and this variable gets created and get attached over here. So this, when the payment mode is third member in the smart list, the payment discount is going to be this variable, which is we have given the percentage will calculate as 15%. And again the net sales remains the same. The formula for net sales in this case also remains the same. sorry, here we have to, since we have used two else if, so we have to provide and if also. This finishes the first else if we have started with, and the first statement finishes here, and then here we can provide two of the end fixes. So this is the formula. We have provided the business rule. You can see we have fixed the members, and then we have calculated the payment discount. If the first, we have given the first mode here, if it is cash, then the payment discount would be 0. In case the payment mode second in the smart list is your UPI, then we have created a variable, and third is credit card. Okay, now here validate and save it. So there's no error, it has been validated. Validate and deploy this. Okay, so this is also done. Now here in the smart view I've already created. You see right now there's nothing coming over here, no total sales and net sales, nothing, none of the figures are coming here. We'll launch the rule and right now refresh it. Okay, now we'll go back to the application, launch the rule. We can do this from the smart view sheet itself. Okay, so it has been launched without any errors. Click on OK and then go to your sheet and here refresh it. Okay, now there is some I'm not getting payment mode here. Let me refresh the database again. Go to dimension and I will refresh the database once again. Choose your queue plan 1 and here in account members, in all account I have created these 4 members, and in payment mode I have attached the smart list. You can see smart list, this has been attached, and now this is done. Just refresh the database and okay, this is done. We have refreshed it, and now I'll launch the rule once again and we'll refresh the smart view sheet. So this, it has been launched without any errors. Here let's see what is the issue coming. Refresh it. Okay, so this is not picking the members. Now you see, I have created the evaluation order over there. It was not done. Now I am getting the COD percentage, COD as payment mode. The smart list is coming here. I can select any of those ones. Let's suppose for Jan, this is for the month of Jan, and this is, I've selected COD over here. Now let's enter some value here in the uh, sales, and I will submit this. Okay, now I have to launch the rule again. This will calculate the discount. Okay, now you see the discount is 0%. Okay, launch the business rule. Now I will do it for, this is our rule, business calc, launch it. Now we have given 10%. Okay, 10% for UPI. Refresh it. So when we select UPI, this becomes 10%. Lastly, we have given the credit card. We have to launch the rule again. Once you change your smart list selection, you have to launch rule every time to change the percent rate for the selected smart list. Now for credit card we have given 15%, so this way it changes. So this is the way we're going to sort out this ticket. Thanks for joining. And but still, if you have any queries, you can contact www.bspsolutions